Hello, my friend. Welcome to Success with JS. My name is Jean-Serge Gagnon. Today, I want to talk to you about my online branding series, video number 9, which is setting up your blog from my guide. So let's get to it. Basically, this is all about if you're looking to brand yourself online, if you're looking for attraction marketing, this is the series you want to be looking at. I've got other steps, and I also have, as I said, I've got this free guide that you can get on my website. I'll show you how to get that afterwards if you want to get that. But right now, let's get to it. So basically, what you do is, before we get into that, just as a note is that this is all about setting up your blog based on the guide I have. Of course, you can do it a whole bunch of different ways. You can get WordPress yourself. You can go to WordPress.com, set up a blog there. You can install WordPress yourself on a Linux, on your own, Windows or Linux server. If you're into that stuff, if you know how to do that. But keep in mind that anything that you do like that yourself is always going to be, you're going to have to maintain it. You're going to have to install the plugins. You might have to pay for some of the plugins, that kind of stuff. With mlsp, you don't have to do any of that. It's all for you. It's all done for you. They maintain it for you. If there's issues in the plugins, they'll update them. And they maintain it, and you can do backups and all that. It's all taken care of for you and doesn't cost you anything more than your mlsp membership. So let's get right to it. So basically, you would go to your mlsp homepage, and then under my website, there is a mlsp sites over here. You click on that, and it takes you to a mlsp launching page. You can, when you first go there, it'll ask you for your credential to use, and you create it. And typically, what they recommend is you add WP to the end of your normal username. And then if you click on this show password here, it'll show your actual password to log in. But you would just click on here. It would prompt you with the password. And then after that, you can see here there's a bunch of training, great training on how to use mlsp, how to use WordPress. Specifically, things like the dashboard. Let's just, as an example, it's basically has a video here of how to set up, your dashboard. WordPress is your dashboard. It's a great way to get updates on your websites. So basically, it's very well-made little videos on how to use the WordPress. Yeah, and so you would click. Now, once you're ready, you click on My Dashboard over here, which takes you to the actual WordPress site to edit your pages and posts. So, there's of course, this is all covered in the training, but just to give you a quick thing is that in WordPress, you can create pages and posts. There's other things, but those are the two major things. And pages are basically, that's where you put your contact information, like a contact me page or an about me page, or here's the list of products I have page, or here's the authors I like to read. Whereas your posts, that's what they call, that's what a blog is all about, is posting. You post regularly, every day, twice a day, once a week, whatever your schedule you choose to be, and those are called posts. And they basically show up in your list of posts, and as time moves on, they become part of your archive, older posts, right? So they're not on your front page all the time, just the most recent posts are there, right? So so that's the difference in posts and pages. So basically, you would come here, you would click on post, you would say add new post, and that will take you to a page where you create a new post. You say, new post. And then over here, you put the content of post, right? I can't type. Content of post. This is where you would type whatever the content is, right? And you can do things also like basically with WordPress, what's cool is you can change what the theme, the page looks like, right? So if I go to customize, I'll just say, I don't want to save this. If I go here, I can see all sorts of settings, right? General settings, the layout of the page, size of fonts, color of fonts. It's very, very, background color. Of course, there's buttons, color schemes, but then there's also the theme, and this is one of the cool thing about WordPress is you can choose different themes, which will change your complete layout of your site. Let me just show you here. If I go straight directly to appearance themes, it actually shows them to me kind of a little bit bigger like this, right? So basically these are all themes you can choose. They're already included in WordPress and on the mlsp sites, and you can pick any of these that you want, and that's about it. So as I was saying earlier, this is all the detail in my guide. This is step number 8 from my guide. It's video number 9. So setting up your blog, right? And this guide is something you can download for free. All you need to do is you fill in a form with your email and address. I'll show you here. Basically all you do is you go to my website over here, and you would click on free training and click on get your free copy of my guide right over here. You just click on that, takes you to a page with the guide, and you just fill in your name and email there and click on get guide now, and you'll get an email with a link to download the guide. All right, have a great day.